Right, today it's the 14th of August 2023. We have the Topeliuksenkatu 23, and it's the only staircase there. It's not any bigger, so it's the only one. This building. It's a really beautiful cab. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Helsinki is washing some on the entertainment. It's very bad, but it's inside.
Yeah.
Let's try to ride it. It's right here. It's built by Grandparents in 1937, originally to 1985, so that's 1922. And silver is AF 409, and it was modernized in. It doesn't say when it was modernized. In 1993. The position is turning 30 years old this year in 2023. Schindler service actually.
Yeah.
But he's here with the mass call buttons. We should have been inspected in 2022, it was delayed. I like the sounds and the vibrations here.
Same.
And there's the bright, beautiful Roman numbers on the floor.
Yeah. Niin speed bike vice, but maintained by Koenig.
I love the smell also.
Same.
Let's do a speed level.
Yeah.
But it's the same.
Yes.
Alright, so correct. So in 1993 I chose easy as buttons because it's numbers.
Yeah.
It's interesting that they still shows grammar inside.
Yeah.
I love the braking sounds.
Same.
Yeah. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. It was another beautiful picture. Nice turquoise gate.
That's